What is going on, YouTube? It is Saturday night, and we're going to take a look at the top cryptos tonight. The top 6, I believe it is, I do. We're going to start off with CHAINLINK. That's number 16. It's kind of a day of consolidation. We got a market cap of CHAINLINK of about 1.222 bill, and we're at $3.49. We're down 2.35%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. See if I can get this whole entire thing in here for you. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. With CHAINLINK today, we started out at about $3.38. Retraced to about $3.35, $3.37, $3.33. Kind of ping-ponging, guys. A little bit of sideways going on today. A lot of ping pong going on. We shot up to about, let's see, 360. 360 is going to be your high for CHAINLINK so far today. Your low is going to be 350. Let's see what it's back here. Let's say about 335 is going to be your low. CHAINLINK's probably looking pretty good. I'm still going to say it's going to still be a $10 card eventually. I think eventually CHAINLINK's going to be a $35 to $50 coin. I just think it's got more. I like Binance coin. Don't get me wrong. If I could, I'd buy Binance, but I'm not on Binance. I'm on Coinbase. I think CHAINLINK is still going to just be your better value because of all the partnerships they have. I think CHAINLINK is looking really good right now. I would hold on to it if you have it. You know, I mean, it's just, you know, it's just the sky is the limit. I mean, I think you're going to see a $5 to $6 CHAINLINK at least before the end of the summer, if not a $10. And maybe by end of summer, I'd say you'll be at least around 10. But for the short term, you're going to be around 4. You're going to trade around the $3.50 to $4 range, maybe $5 tops if you hit a big bull run. Well, CHAINLINK's looking pretty good, guys. Let's move on to the next coin, which is Bitcoin Cash. That's your number 5 coin. You've got a market cap of about 7.212 bill, and you're at about 403.43, and you're down 0.67%. Looks like. Let's take a look at that 24-hour. And your 24. You started out at about, hold on, wrong one. Sorry, guys. That's EOS. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. You started at about 404.18, kind of ping-ponged a little bit. 406, 404, 400. Right around here. You shot all the way up to about 415.32, ping-ponged around a little bit, and then 415 is going to be your high. Let's see. Let's just say 400 is going to be your low. So Bitcoin Cash is looking pretty good. I predict Bitcoin Cash is going to be up in the 500 range. Barring it, you know, if we get a big bull run, I'd say maybe 700 to 800 tops. But Bitcoin Cash is looking pretty good. Let's move on to the next coin, which is Litecoin, your number 4 coin. You got a market cap of about 7.408 bill. We're at 118.45. This is the one I'm all in right now. We're down 1.03%. Let's take a look at that 24-hour chart. As I said, day of consolidation today. We're in for a big move, though, for Litecoin, guys. I think it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. I mean, you know, that's the only two ways to look at it, you know. I mean, it's either going to go up or down, but I do have a strong feeling we're going to break for the upside. You started out the day with LTC at about 119.91, shot to about 120, retraced to 119, then you kind of popped about 120, and you kind of retraced a little bit, ping-ponged a little bit, ping-pong, blah, 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 you know, back and forth. Then you shot to about 120, 129. That's going to be your high today. And your low see. 118.76 going to be your low. I still see $150 to $165 toward the end of July Litecoin, unless we have a big pullback. Worst case scenario, I see a $99 Litecoin. Some people are saying possibly $69, but I'm not going to think it's going to go that low just because of the strict demand of it. But I really think, guys, you're going to see 250, maybe 350, maybe 400 at the zenith, maybe 600. Some are calling for 1,000, but I really think realistically you're going to see a 350 to 400, maybe $500 Litecoin. I hope I'm wrong, but you know, the last few forks I've participated in have kind of, you know, fizzled out, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, Litecoin's looking pretty good. Let's move on to the next one. And which is going to be XRP, your number 3 coin. XRP has got a market cap of 16.527 bill. You're at 0.388 cents, and you're up 0.17%. You're the only top 10 crypto that's green right now. So hats off to you. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour for Ripple, basically pretty flat, except for right around there. You started off at about 0.383, ping-ponged a little bit all day long till we got about here. This is going to be your high. Let's see, 0.405, ping-ponged again. 0.405 is going to be your high for Ripple. 0.383 is going to be your low. So XRP, guys, I think in the next few weeks you're going to see about a 44 to a 45 cent Ripple, maybe 65 cents to $1, given that if we have a big, huge bull run. But XRP is looking pretty good. Like I said, it's one of those stable coins that seem to really, you know, you don't really drop off a huge, you might drop a few cents, but you really don't go down all that much. So if I had to put my money in something, you know, and everything else was plummeting, I would feel pretty decent about putting my money into XRP. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next coin, which is the one I'm mining right now, Ethereum, number 2. You got a market cap of about 30.72 bill. Right now we're at about 288.24. We're down 1.38%. Let's see, yeah, 1.39%. Let's take a look at that 24-hour. And the 24-hour, you started out the day with the Ether at about 292.79, popped to about 290. Actually, went down to 292.19, 290.51, 294, 292. Just a lot of sideways, guys. Just a lot of sideways today. Not really a whole lot to report. And then we kind of shot up to about 295, 290. Let's see. 295 is going to be your high and your low. Let's see. 286. Yeah, about 286 could be your low. So I'm still seeing a $300 Ether real soon. Now, will it maintain that price? I don't know, because it's had a lot of resistance at that level. It seems like our new support, well, the support has been around the 280 to the 290-ish area. And to be quite honest with you guys, I would so much rather. I mean, I like seeing huge pops too, because I like to make money too. But I would so much rather see just stability. You know, let it consolidate out, let it hold this price. Don't just, you know, make a mad dash to $10,000 or $2,000 for Ethereum and then drop all the way to 115 like we were back in February. Nobody really wants that. Nobody wants these massive drops. But when you have massive run-ups, you know you're going to get a massive drop. So the best thing to do, you know, guys, let's just have a slow and steady ride. You know, I'd rather have a slow and steady ride to the top and hold those levels instead of just, you know, having an investment that's not going to be worth I want a long-term investment. You know, I want something that's long-term, not just a casino, but a long-term investment. You know, so Ethereum's looking really good. You're not overbought yet. A lot of coins is. It's getting close to being overbought, but you know, Ethereum's still got a lot of room to run. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin is your number one coin, of course. You got a market cap of 199 trill. Right now, we're up 11,221.12, and we're only down 1.13%. Let's take a look at that 24-hour. Then we'll do an overall market, and then we'll just call it a day. Okay, guys, we started out the day at about 11,393. We popped to about 11,522. Ping-ponging here. Little bit sideways going on here, and right around here, I think is going to be your high. 11,613.26. And your low is going to be about, say, 11,069. So Bitcoin, I think, is way oversold or actually way overbought for my taste. I'd like to see it retrace to about 10,500. As I said in the past, maybe 9,500. Then I feel pretty confident about getting in Bitcoin right now. Right now, you've got a market cap total overall of 320 bill. Right now, your 24-hour volume is 63 bill. And you got a Bitcoin dominance of 62.4%. Well, guys, it's Saturday evening, Crypto Vision. I hope everybody stays safe out there. Has a happy 4th of July weekend. Pop off a lot of firecrackers. Enjoy yourself. And I hope you guys have a good evening. This is Crypto Vision, Saturday evening, first week in July. Signing off. Peace out, guys.